Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome once again to YouTube Official. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We share amazing content on tech, on business, on seminars, and so much more, and educational content. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing graphic designers and some of you who have had issues with Photoshop, who have had issues with photo editing. I'm going to introduce you to something amazing. Just like the title of this video said, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to Photoshop without paying a single dime for 100% free. You don't need to pay them. All you don't need to do is just to get this. And interestingly, you don't need to download this too. You don't need to download it. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it without spending them. So straight into this video, if you've had issues with Photoshop, like just like me, what prompted me to this was that I had issues with downloading Photoshop. I just look at it, it will take a lot of data, and my network was not too good to download it. So that's what led me to this, and I'm going to be introducing it to you quickly. So what you are going to do, go over to your browser, search for Photopea. Photopea. My network is not too good, but I believe this will work faster. Okay, this is it, photopea.com. photopea.com. You go and search for photopea.com, and it's just amazing. Amazing. It's like, how will I call it? It's an online Photoshop. And you don't need to download it. All you don't need to do is to go there. Or you can also install this thing. I want to open something for you guys. You can start by clicking open from computer now. So I clicked open from computer over there, and I want to open a picture. So you see it has the same Photoshop interface. You can work on stuffs, and just like that. You can also create an account here. I don't have an account. I just discovered it newly, and it has been working amazing for me, especially for photo editing. So one thing you need to note too is that they may ask for $5 fee. I think it's for a month, because it's for a month. They will ask for $5 fee, but that one is not compulsory. You can see some ads over here. These are the generated revenue, and you're able to maintain the site free for you. And note, it's not affiliated to what Photoshop. It's 100% different from Photoshop. That's just it. So for this app now, you see all the tools just like Photoshop, and there's something over here you may need to pay. But let me look for a tool to use over there. There's a tool I'm looking for. Coming. Where is this tool over here? I want to show you something quickly on I wish I could see this. It's something I want to show you here. Look at it. I want to show you, for example, now I want to remove the background from here, or for example, I want to select subject. Click on select subject. Click button again. Look at it. This premium feature. This is a premium feature. Go premium for $5 a month. Press account at the top, or watch a short ad to use this feature. So you can actually do this. It's not compulsory to pay the $5 per month. You can keep using this feature of watching an ad. So you can easily click OK, then watch an ad, and you get back to the they'll process for you. Let me just click it and watch a 5 second ad or so. So I just had to do that. That's just one thing with this stuff. You can see some ads over here. You can see this text to every single thing works the way it ought to. And I think select subject, click on OK. And they're supposed to bring an ad for me on the screen. I don't know, but maybe it should be my network. So look at something over here. You can export as PNG, export as PSD, and also I also use this for mockup too. Probably I'll be coming up with some graphic design aspects too, so that we can explore the graphic design aspect too. Like ad, you can skip in 5 4 I'm just going to close it or just skip it. So I don't need it. I don't need the video at all. I'm just showing you an example of how this works. So all the tools, and I believe you've gained something amazing from this video. You can go ahead here to download the app, or you just because they may give you the option of downloading the app. I've downloaded it here. I think look at it over here. It's not an app. It's just the web page. You downloading the web page you get, and it works just like the website. You don't need to download. It's not mandatory to download, and you can work on it and use it the same way you use your Photoshop as an alternative to Photoshop. So I believe you've gained something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have questions, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. And I'm watching. And see you soon. See you soon. Thank you very much.